Good morning everybody, and good morning ladies. So how much rain have we had so far in the last 24 hours? 3 mils. But they did expect 3 mils, so that's what they predicted, 3 mils over the next, in the last 24 hours, but the next 24 hours they're expecting about 33, so hey, at least they're on point with that measurement. That's alright, we'll carry on, or we will get what we will get. Oh, the girls are working their way up. Let's wind up this wheel. 2 We're all wound up. Let's go see how far the cows have got. See, this is a paddock that will be done for rushes probably on I'm going to get back from down the bush, because I am going down the bush next week from Monday through to Friday. I get back for Friday night milking, and Dad shoots off Friday at midday to go down the bush. So one, back for rugby and back for milking. Anyway, let's get a move on and get on up the truck and get to milking. See how far these girls have got, shall we? Here's 186, not a bad little cow, only about 5, so doing well. Anyway, first row's cupped, we're on to the next row. Let's try cup her first. She's a slow cow, so we can wait, we've got time. Coming down well out there now, we're at 132, very nice 3-year-old, not a bad milker either. She's actually always in the first half of milking this book, so well, she loves the meal mainly, and that's why she milks so. Anyway, push her up. Dad's here, just out there somewhere, get the cows in. See, they're not in a rush, but they're coming. There's little one. Thing is, she's not last, but she loves the milk. The last cow's back here. That's got white and brown colouring. Come on, come down. Off you go, good girl. Had a good couple of mouthfuls, alright. Come on. You can grab a mouthful and walk on. Good girl, 69. Swole. It's old Scarface claw, isn't it, Dad? This one. She had, when she was a heifer, she got spotty tongue, so it swelled up, made her look like a Scarface. She come right, though. There he is. Morning, Dad! Oh, lucky little dog.
We've got stew meat.
Stew meat. Leftover stew meat.
We're putting on a stew tonight.
Oh.
We've got the fat up cuts.
Look at him. Isn't he lucky? Oh, fussy.
Oh no.
No, he just waits. Oh, you got to take another container for him. And just keep it on that hip, hey, Twinny? Very good milker. Explains why she's working hard. She might not be. Oh well. Get milking sorted. Nearly you like your meal, darling. If you're lucky, Dad will leave you in there for a little bit. You can eat away. Just finishing up. Wash up, and then we can go down and chop some maize and feed some silage. wait for Uncle Chris to arrive to deliver the palm kernel, and not too much for plan today in this rain, eh, Dad? Right. Trip down to get some more alkali. Trip the irrigator, yep.
Not very far.
Shows you we haven't had too much rain then. It's just getting absorbed by the palm kernel. Dad's coming down with me. Saves I'm getting wet on the motorbike, eh, Dad? We made it. We've made it. Anyway, let's go and get loaded up. Maize and 1 bale of silage. And then maize and 1 bale of silage. And then my dad have got to go to town to go and get some more supplies. Meet Uncle Chris back here at the farm with his truck at about 11 o'clock, he's estimated. So it could be any time, 11, 11:30, even 1 o'clock if things have gone wrong, if he's going late. So let's go chop some maize. Stop recording for a minute, but yeah, a little pheasant family there. That's cool. I like him eating the maize and the leftovers, so that's pretty cool. Going well. Don't worry, we'll stop if they get too close. They're taking off into the maize now. Well, that's going to be us for this morning. We'll come around here and pick up Dad. Little arrow's just arrived. Yeah. Shoot up and that'll be us for today. See you all about midday when Uncle Chris arrives. We can load up the palm kernel and cover the palm kernel up.
Boss.
Yep, it's all wet. Let's go. Oh, that stayed relatively dry. Hey Dad, ready for Uncle Chris? More palm kernel. Bit wet underfoot, but at least kept it off the back and that. But that's alright. There you go, Chris, it's Tessa. Hey Tessa! Yeah, we're doing good. Yeah, gotta go for load up, finish loading up the palm kernel bins now. Beauty. Nice stuff. Not wet, nice and dry. Ugh, yummy. Palm kernel, molasses lumps. Good sign, nice stuff. There you go, Uncle Chris, he's out of here. And here comes Dad. Load up the palm kernel bin. It doesn't worry us, it'll absorb the palm kernel. Perfect. And sort of. See, look at this. Doesn't go in too deep. Only about an inch of moisture, but cows will eat that anyway, they like that stuff. No issues whatsoever, so then I'll see you all at milking tonight.
Beautiful. Just what the doctor ordered. Rain.
Good afternoon, everybody. So Dad's just arrived. I was going to go down there and wash the vat, but I'll quickly come back and check the rain gauge first. What have we got so far? 31 mils, plus the 3 from this morning, 34 for this rain event so far. Ain't too shabby. And still more to come. I empty it at 5 o'clock every morning. Got my time set. Yeah, well then, we're ready to go. Let's get to milking. So as you would have seen there, that's our total production for the year. Litres, milk solids, so how we're going this year. Not too bad actually, we're doing really well. It's just one of those years though, you know, been a bit dry. It was a nice start. It turned out to be a really, really good summer. And then just, yeah. Anyway, let's get to milk. Girls coming in. Okay, good Jordan. Buggers are thick in here tonight, the flies are, but they're not attacking the cows, they're just very dopey, flying into everything. Pumping up. We'll get to spraying. There you go. Attacking me. Gotta block it. There. Go and spray them. Pull all the flies off. It's just a good rip. Dad. There's number 192. Beautiful 3-year-old that she is. First row just left. Fighting the flies in there, but they're not used to the rain, these little buggers. Haven't had rain in that long, they don't know what it is. Number 37, or as Mackenzie and Dallas call her, whitey. Yep, because she's white. She doesn't, not a bad cow, she's always been alright. Nice, she's not too bad, she's quite friendly here and there, but yes, likes her meal. Alright, let's go. Not many rows left, just probably 1-2 more to go, I think. Okay, I'll sit up and jeepers, pouring down out there. Don't worry, the irrigator is going into the clip tank, so no hassles there. Right, just going to put through our rinse cycle, and we're done. There you go. Watch out, puppy. Put that to the side. Okay then.
Look, stop. Say anymore.
Perfect. Thank you. Me and Thea are milking in the morning, but Dad's coming for the afternoon milking, because I won't be here. Hey, Dad?
Yeah, the costume.
Alright, rugby. But Dad will be here in the morning to chop some maize, possibly. All goes well. And yeah, that. I'll see you all in the morning. Just go down and feed some girls some maize and silage. And a beautiful rain. Dang traffic, get out of the way! There it goes. Thank you, Dad. And we're just going to hook up the hoses because I didn't hook up the hoses yet. So it's good to see we're starting to get a bit of moisture on the ground now. Good to see, I'm starting to see some puddles out there. The windows are washed because of the rain. What we're doing is we're heading to the back of the paddock to feed out and come this way, because what we've noticed is they're eating 99% of their maize and they're actually starting to leave a bit of silage if we're fed out on this side of the maize. Whereas you want to be between, the silage should be between the maize and the water trough, because the water trough's always at the front of the paddock here. And then they'll actually more likely to eat the silage too. They've left a little bit of silage here and there, but not much overall. So I feed out the back of the paddock here and work my way to the front. Why are we starting on this side? Because we fed out, yes, they had this paddock last night, and they had that part of the paddock. They had the first half last night. Thank you.